Thank you so much for taking this course with me. We have covered a lot of ground throughout these lessons, from creating your first new canvas, to exploring the painting tools, to creating your own landscape with features like quick shape and color drop. I know it can feel incredibly overwhelming to learn a new program, whether you're coming from a background in traditional media or starting from scratch in digital art. But I hope that by taking it one step at a time as we worked on the class project, you now feel both confident and excited to continue your Procreate journey. If you would like to share your work from the class, I would absolutely love to see. You can tag me on social media, I'm @WoolyPronto, or reach out on the Design Cuts Community Hub. And if you enjoyed this, I invite you to join my newsletter community to get Procreate tutorials delivered directly to you, along with tons of free Procreate brushes, color palettes, and texture canvases. You can learn more and sign up at news.woolypronto.com. Again, thank you for taking this course and for taking the time to learn Procreate with me. I will see you next time.